Unknown miscreants shot and killed a 41-year-old man and injured two others near the Nambul riverbank at Naurimthong Kumanthem Takyal Kongbal under Lamphel Police Station in Imphal West. The attack occurred around 7:30 p.m. last night. The deceased has been identified as Sri Ram Hangsada, a resident of Jharkhand. The two injured individuals, Bichu Murmu, 22, and Mitalal Soran, 50, also hail from Jharkhand. They are currently receiving medical treatment at RIMS Hospital. Murmu is the son of Sirlal Murmu of Dokaban village, while Soran is the son of Dorbori Soran of Mukun village. All three victims were employed as laborers with Keystone Infra Private Company. Security forces were promptly dispatched to the scene following reports of the incident. Police have registered a case at Lamphel Police Station and launched an investigation to apprehend the perpetrator. The motive behind the attack remains unclear, and police are appealing to the public for any information that could assist in the investigation.